Today, I'm going to tell you how to make a healthy calcium vitamin rich dry fruit powder which can be had with milk, especially in the mornings. This is best had for both adults and children and is a wholesome breakfast meal. For this, I take a cup of makhana and nicely roast them in a tawa. I roast them until it becomes highly crisp. You can see that I'm trying to break this makhana and it's very crisp. I then store this makhana separately. To this, I add some badams and nicely roast them once again until they are golden brown. Badam is a good source of protein. I add this almonds to the already existing roasted makhana. Then I take some chutney dal or Bengal gram and nicely roast it until it becomes brown. Next, I add some cashew nuts, and these cashew nuts need to be roasted once again along with some sunflower seeds. Once roasted, we again store them separately along with the other ingredients. Ensure that you are storing them in a dry place to avoid any kind of moisture. Next, we take in some sesame seeds and then nicely roast the sesame seeds and add them along with the rest of the ingredients. Now we add some pepper to this, some pepper kernels. Pepper acts as a very good antioxidant and is a very good ingredient to be added. Next, we take some Misri or kalkand as they call it. This Misri, we take it into a mixer grinder, add some elaichi for flavor and grind it completely to ensure that it becomes a nice powder, and we store it separately. We then take all the ingredients that we've put together and grind them until it becomes this powder like you see in the video, and add the Misri powder which we've made onto this. So mix this very well and we now store this inside a glass jar which is completely dry and airtight, not letting any moisture in. We can then use this on a daily basis for breakfast and mix this with hot milk and enjoy your daily morning porridge.